Hello, my name is Karun Kaushik. I am your technical expert advisor. Today I welcome you in Eastman Technical Masterclass. Today we will unbox model 51.2 volt 280 LP and 314 LP floor mount battery. Now I am going to unbox the battery. As you can see, the battery is packed in a wooden box. First of all, the wooden box have to be opened. Now you can see the complete battery. It is completely shrink wrapped for safe packaging. Let's unwrap the battery. With the help of cutter, the battery have to be unwrapped. Now the battery is unwrapped. We will talk about the accessories which is in the box. We will find the user manual, RJ45 cable, the power cables for connection between inverter and battery. On the front side of the battery you will find the touch display along with the on off switch. So here you can see the overall view of the battery, and in the front of the battery you will find Eastman branding along with the model series number. As the battery is floor mounted, you will find at the bottom there are 4 wheels for moving the battery from the required place, and in the front side of the wheels there are 2 locks for locking the battery. Aside of the battery you will find the power terminal connections. From here you can connect the battery from inverter, and you will connect the battery in parallel connection also. On the top side of the battery you will find some ports. Let's talk in brief. This is our on off switch. So once we press the on off switch, the battery gets on and the LEDs get activated. So here you will find the power LED. This is our reset switch. It will be used when there is some issue and battery needs to be reset. This is the ADS switch which comes into action when batteries will be connected in parallel connection for giving them an individual address. This is the alarm indicator, and this is the run indicator. The run indicator will flash in up to 3 seconds. When there is a constant issue, when battery encountered abnormal condition, the alarm get activated and you will find a red color indicator here. These are the SOC indicators which will define the state of charge of the battery. Here you can find RS485 port and CAN port for the communication between the inverter and battery. This is our RS232 port. These 2 ports will come into action when the battery will be connected in parallel connection. Now coming to the touch display, you can see the SOC of the battery. Battery is in idle state. It is not connected to the inverter. You will find 0 ampere. This is the minimum and the maximum cell voltage out of 16 cell, as the battery is having 16 cell. At the bottom side you will find 4 icons. The leftmost icon is the parallel page information. Here you can see the parallel information of the batteries which will be connected in the parallel connection. As up to 15 batteries can be connected in the parallel connection. Here you can see the individual cell voltage of all 16 cells which are connected inside the battery. This is the back icon from where you can go to the main screen. The second icon is the protocol page, from where you can set the protocol as per recommended by the inverter. The default protocol is 5 on, but it can be amended as per the inverter need. For amending the protocol you have to first log in, and the login icon is the rightmost placed at the bottom side. For login you will have to set password as 666 888. After login, you can able to amend the parameters as per your requirement. Here I will set so far via CAN, and I will press on right. It will show you succeed. Also you can see the charge voltage, charge current, discharge voltage and discharge current. The third icon is the setting, from where you can set the language of the battery along with the sleep time. The host software, we can monitor the running parameters of the battery. Thanks for staying with us till the end of this video. Hope the information I shared will be helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.
Eastman.